Hello and welcome to Farm Radio. Today, here. This is a Toyo 8-track player only that I had for sale at the local swap meets and nobody took. So I decided I'd give it a try. Has a nice metal head clamp in there, and this thing plays pretty good. When I got it, it played, started to slow down after about 30 minutes of play. And I screwed with it, and the motor run capacitor was the defect. It had an odd value, that's this one right here. A 0.8 microfarad. Can't find one anywhere, so I made up a couple out of ceiling fan capacitors. It was around, I put a couple in series to diminish the microfarad, and it works very well. In fact, I'm very pleased, except it makes a little noise, like it's not exactly the capacitance it's requiring. So I dug around, and one place had a 0.8. I've searched high and low for one of this. This was the only one in stock. I think it was Walmart that came through with this, of all people. I had ordered some from Mouser, and the only thing I could find close was a 1 microfarad. These huge, I think I paid $5 a piece for, that I'm not even going to use. All I wanted was a 0.8 microfarad. I just could not find one anywhere. If you folks know, send me a message. I don't know where to get these small value tape player type motor run capacitors. What's in it now is from a table and ceiling fan, and we're going to replace it with the proper value. This also has a noisy transistor. I don't know which one it is, but I'll go in and take a look at that as well. I'm just going to get some numbers and we'll order some parts. I'll take a look to see what I've done prior. There's a little preamp there we're going to have to look at. There's a noisy transistor in there. Here's our elaborate setup here. And I tucked the other one under here somewhere. So I have two. Go back and see what I've done here. So I have two in series, a 4, and a 2. Which gives us about 3. No, I have to look in. 4 and a 2. It'd be around, somewhere around 1. I'll measure them. Anyway, see, we have the original here. Alright, so we go between here and here. So the original was right across here. So we'll take our replacement, and we'll do more or less the same thing, just tack him in there like that. And a new one reads 765 nanofarad, or 0.76. Alright, and experimenting with some of my own work, let's see what I had come up with prior. Yeah, see, it's a little over 1. So it wasn't really close enough, hence the chattering of it's like a chattering, it's a timing thing. The phase, I can't really explain it, I don't know, but these motors, the windings, the phase and the time is all dictated by the capacitance that's coupled with it. That's why they're so fussy. So I was around 1, it was working, but it just didn't make the noise. This should be completely silent, and it had this chattering noise. So I'm going to install my new one underneath there and be right back. So there we are, all installed. It's just nestled in the back here. And I'm not going to play a tape or anything. All I want to do is take it from a cold start here. So it's plugged in, and we'll just see how the motor sounds. See? Whisper quiet. I didn't want to do any damage to it because it ran on the correct speed, except it made this gurgling sound like it was a rotary engine misfiring or something, but it played fantastic, but I just didn't like the sound it made when it was cold. It would go away after it warmed up a little bit. I knew this motor should be quiet, so once again, I should play a tape to make sure it's at the correct speed. I'll clean and demag the heads here first. Believe it or not, this is one of the better sounding 8-tracks I've come across. So let's just, what we're here to see is if the speed is correct. I did demag and clean the tape path, so yeah, here we go. Don't want to leave it too far, I'll get a copyright. That's fine.
Set an open course for the virgin sea.
So right now there's no noise in that suspect channel, but it will develop noise as it plays. That's over here. I just don't know which channel it is yet. So I'll play this a little bit, determine which side it is, and get those little black top transistors in there, but we'll take a look at that perhaps at a later date. But that's it for now. I'll play this a little bit and plan for a future transistor replay. Okay, I've determined it's the left channel that has the noise. Sounds like the ocean. The other channel is silent. So there's our noisy side. Left. So here's our preamplifier. And the channel is obviously the blue one, that's left. And there's really just 2 transistors there. I'll try to note some numbers off of them and see what they are. Okay, the one closest to the head is they both say 693. One's a 693G, and towards the output is a 693F. I don't know if that's 2SA, 2SC, 2SA. I may have to consult a transistor guide here. I have to do some investigative reporting. Okay, you'll have to take my word on it, but with a little signal tracing here, with my amplified headset here, I've determined that it's not the first stage here from the playhead, it's the one towards the outputs. Of course, it could be a noisy resistor, but no, in this case, these little round, it's that one right there, that little round top, and it's I'll verify the number here in a second. It's the G 69, no, the F. The F, the second one, yes. Second stage, I'm calling it. So I need a 693F, and I feel with the cutout it's ECB. It's quiet at the base, noisy as heck right here. and there's just power, I believe, at the emitter. So, yeah. I'm going to change that guy right there down the road. Okay. That's the documentation of the Toyo. So a quick search of the web reveals that is a 2SC693, and someone else has them in the tone control board in their receiver, and it was very noisy. So yeah, that's what I'm going to go on. And they do say they give the replacement there, the KSC 1845, which I already have on order, so that's what I plan to do anyway. Okay, so that'll do it till we get some transistors. I'll just leave it be for now. Okay, with the motor running, I don't know if you can hear that, but that's not bad compared to what it would be. It's really about the same, but at times it would get louder with the other capacitor. But I'm happy with the repair. We'll get a transistor down the road to that channel. That'll do it. Alright, that's it for the Toyo. Thanks for watching.